Hi, my name is Miss Smith. What's your
Yes,
name?
hello. My name is Miss McCarthy. Thank you for having me here today.
It's nice to meet you. Thank you for coming in today. So we're going to have an interview. And this is for the supervisor position. Do you have any experience with being a supervisor in the past?
I do have some supervisor experience, not much. I worked at a Dunkin' Donuts, and I was a supervisor there. And it was only a couple people.
That's fine. That's good. So that's a variety. So this job has a variety of responsibilities. There's a time frame where you might have to work on the weekends. You have to evaluate other people's work and make sure that their schedules match. You might have to send referrals, and you'll also have to do payroll. You might have to tweak the schedules a little bit, but if there's workers who will request a vacation and you'll have to fix that and make sure that it is covered, that shift is covered if they can't come in, and all has to work out. You might have to do a little disciplinary actions if this situation shows up where something bad happens or something negative, and you have to have a conversation with the worker. You'll have to have a one-on-one meeting and kind of discuss what happened. And you might have to fire somebody. You might have them take a break. You might just have to warn them. And that's all what entails being a supervisor. Are you comfortable with that?
Oh, yes. I do believe that those job duties, responsibilities would be within my purview. I could take care of those. And I'm good with people, so any issues that come up, I'm sure I can handle them. And if not, I'm sure you'll be there to help and support me.
Okay. And this job also has some benefits. It has health benefits, dental benefits, vision benefits, life care, or health care. Is there an insurance that you want, or does it really matter to you?
I would like health insurance. I am under my husband's health insurance, but with health prices being what they are, I think both of us having coverage would be the way to go.
Okay, so I just need to let you know about that. It is very quick. About 6 weeks or 7 weeks when it starts. There is a probation training portion that's 6 weeks long, and you need to do that, and if anything happens before that, the health benefits will be gone. But I think you'll be fine. You seem like you'll have success here. Just wanted to let you know about that. Is there any questions you have for me?
No, I completely understand about the probation period, and I suspect that I will do fine, and that will be no problem. Oh, what about parking? Do I pay for parking, or?
Yes, there's parking, and you'll have to pay for it yourself. And it's kind of expensive if you pay in the town, but our company covers some of it, but not all of it. You might have to pay. You'll still have to pay most of it, but that's how it is down here.
Understandable. I guess that's one thing I have to take care of myself.
Okay, well, it's nice to meet you.
Okay,
Have a good
thank
day.
you for
Bye.
having me. I appreciate meeting you. Bye-bye.